My name is Markus Hitz.
I am the director of the Mechatronics Schule Winterthur, MSW for short.
MSW.
My name is
Olivier Riesen. I am an instructor at the Mechatronics Schule Winterthur and responsible for the training of automation technicians.
Wir haben uns entschieden, in Richtung
From a teaching perspective, we realized the need to incorporate more mechatronics training. In this context, we have looked at the new technology concept Industry 4.0 and decided that this will be our strategic direction.
unsere strategische Ausrichtung sein wird.
Wir haben überlegt, ob wir
We considered whether to develop the training program ourselves,
in dieser Richtung
but we also looked around the market to see if there were any existing products or learning systems out there that we could use.
in der Ausbildung einsetzen konnten.
Beim System vom Festo
With the Festo system, it quickly became clear to us that it offers practical and relevant training.
Festo ja bereits schon
Since Festo Automation operates Industry 4.0 systems for production companies and develops them for career and technical education purposes, this serves us well as a basis for our training.
und uns die Grundlage für unsere Ausbildung liefern kann.
Festo Didactic has developed very good training materials for this,
Entwickelt und
and I think we have therefore chosen the right partner.
Auf der anderen Seite
At the same time, we can also further develop the learning materials ourselves,
in der
and
Partnerschaft
together with Festo in partnership, we can keep updating these training materials and adapting them to our needs.
Wisse anpassen.
die Rolle als Ausbildner
The role as an instructor in Industry 4.0 training has changed for me in a way that I have become more of a coach.
mehr zum Coach geworden bin.
The learners work very independently and are also sometimes much deeper in the subject matter than I am. The CP Factory is very important for us in training.
Grundbildung sehr wichtig.
We start with the third year of apprenticeship in all professions and explain the principles of what Industry 4.0 means, up to self-developed application modules. The CP Factory is therefore the heart of the whole topic of digitalization and Industry 4.0 for MSW, our training institution.
Digitalisierung und Industrie 4.0.
Wir stehen hier vor unserer Anlage.
We are standing here in front of our plant where I did my final report. I'll give you a little introduction. The plant consists of several modules. Each module has its own control. The system works as follows. First, at the automatic warehouse, a carrier is pulled from inventory. From the automatic warehouse, the carrier travels on the conveyor belt to our application. There, the operator can use a touch panel to select his desired chocolates. Once he has selected these chocolates, he can confirm. The process places the chocolates with air pressure and a linear drive at the right spot on the carrier. After this step, the carrier moves on the conveyor to the Robotino.
Fährt auf den Robotino.
The Robotino drives to the workstation, where the visitor can then take away and enjoy their chocolates.
Und genießen kann. Der unbenutzte
The empty carrier then returns to the warehouse and is available for further use.
zur Verfügung.
Our goal and challenge was to make this process user-friendly and to allow for direct interaction with the system.
Eine direkte Interaktion
We achieved this with an interactive touch panel where users can order their own chocolates.
Nutzern mit einem Touchpanel die Interaktion ermöglichen, ihre eigenen Schokoladen zu bestellen.
The most important thing about this plant for me was that I could bring in my own ideas without being limited by the plant. That was not a problem at all with this plant, because we could actually do everything without restrictions. Festo provided us with a very good basis. We were able to do everything we wanted, and everything we needed.
Und alles verändern, was wir brauchen.